AI hairstyle changer. Try new hairstyle with AI instantly. If you want to just use a hairstyle changer using AI for your photo, just open your browser and type in AI hairstyle changer, right? So once you've done that, simply hit the go button. You'll find many websites and links that can do this. So depending upon what is comfortable, you just select the one based on your need. Now we'll just choose an image under which we would like to change the hairstyle of, right? So let me just go ahead and tap the select photo button, agree to the terms and conditions, and let me just choose my photo. And once I'm done choosing my photo, it will just process the image for a while. It just might take a couple of seconds, and once done, I can simply choose a couple of hairstyles that are right here. So once I choose, let's say, a certain hairstyle, I can just tap on the generate button. It will require me to have some credits, so go ahead and create your account and it will successfully change the hairstyle for you. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.